Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Target gift card online. Now the first thing you need to do is to pull up the Target website or target.com and then just log in to your Target account on the website or through your app. Now once you're there, just make sure you have a few products selected or added to your cart, and then you can proceed on going to your cart and then the checkout page. Now this is usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Once there, just select gift card and then click on add for the gift card you want to use. Now this will then ask for the details of your gift cards, or there's going to be a code there. Just input it as it appears on your gift card. Then you can complete your purchase by applying your preferred gift card. If you encounter any further issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Target. You can head to their Help Us website right here on contactus.target.com. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.